Hey everybody, if you've watched my Leatherman Super Tool 300 video, you'll know that I use this as a little comparison piece in the video, as I've shown that if you want a tool that'll last 25 years, this is one for you, because this is from 1996. So this, I guess I could send this into Leatherman. It's basically at the end of its warranty now, but I kind of want to buy parts and fix it myself. Like, as you can see, it's getting pretty rusty. Wire cutters are shot. It's a little loose, but I think I could tighten it up. And inside here is just bad. Like, these need to be oiled so bad. If you, like, I'm struggling to open this. Yeah, not exactly what you would call smooth. But what I was thinking was, if I don't cut myself while I'm trying to close this, that I kind of wanted to go online and see if I could find like a donor tool, or like the pieces, the tools, and build this all over again as, like, you know, a thing that I would do with a tool of my dad's, like try to restore it. I don't want to go too crazy, but I'd like to keep all the tools, like keep the tool set. But you know, everything in here is worn. My dad used the hell out of this. My dad lived a interesting life. I'm sure this tool started out helping him on construction sites and then helped him later on when he was homeless. For example, I would need to replace the small flathead screwdriver because it has snapped off. I'm sure my dad was prying at something with that and broke it off. I also wanted to replace the plier head because the wire cutters are shot, and I was thinking about just making this a little series. So I just wanted to give a little overview of this tool, and maybe we'll take it from there. I'll start disassembling it, and I'll get that on video. I bought a pair of vice grips to try to use on these, so I could hold it on one end and turn it on the other side to start loosening everything up. And then I'll give everything a good cleaning and buy the parts that I need and put it all back together again. So hope you guys might look forward to something like that, a little something different, and I'll try to make this a working tool again. Right now, I would say, you know, I guess the stuff still works, but like, God, I just couldn't imagine, like, oh yeah, here's my knife. Like, yeah, that looks freaking great. And I mean, like, the most functional part of the tool right now is basically just the pliers are about the only thing that you're really going to be using with any relative ease. So hopefully we can get this back up and running, and we'll make this a, like, tribute to my dad. All right, everyone. Have a good day and take it easy.